Denise now has many friends from different countries of the world. All of them speak English. Denise is looking in his atlas. He wants to learn more about these countries. His father knocks on the door and comes in. "Oh, Denise, you are here. Are you busy? I wanted to ask you to go to the shop to buy something for dinner. What are you doing?" "I'm reading about English-speaking countries in my atlas. Why do so many people in the world speak English?" "To understand that, you must know some history. In the early 20th century, the British Empire had colonies all over the world. Look at the map. The colonies were in North and South America, Africa, Asia, and Australia. They occupied about 22% of the world. The population of the British Empire was several million people. The English language spread into colonial countries with trade and new books and devices. That colonial history plays a big role in modern life in Canada, Australia, New Zealand, India, and Singapore. English is the official language in more than 60 countries. English is the most popular language to study because it is easy for foreigners to learn. English has simple grammar structures and a rich vocabulary. People study English because it is the language of trade, business, education, science, and travel. It is the language of the internet and information technology. There are different varieties of English, but there is standard English, which foreigners learn at schools and universities. Many of them go to study English in Britain, the USA, Ireland, or Malta. There are some other English-speaking countries too, like India, Australia, and Canada, that are less popular for studying English. It is interesting to know that in the UK, people don't only speak English, but other Celtic languages as well. In Scotland, about 2% of the population speaks Gaelic. In Wales, 20% speak Welsh. In Northern Ireland, 2% speak Irish. These languages differ from English, though people from those countries do speak English too. Dad, thank you very much. Now I understand that if I know English, I can travel and make friends from other countries all over the world.